Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send the location on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the chats button down below, which is the second icon, and then select a chat. Click on this button next to the message bar down below, tap on location, which is the third option. Here you can set your or allow the app to have access to your current location, but you can also type it into the search bar. So you should go to your settings and allow the app to have access to your location. Go back to the app, and here you can send your location to your recipient. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.